Christmas has become the holiday of shameless shopping and earth-destroying consumption, and therefore I'm sharing this step-by-step video of how to make an advent calendar that celebrates nature rather than destroys it. I'm currently doing a project where I try to eco-map all the different species I see in the Atlantic rainforest in Brazil. And since my brother is an ecologist, my father is a hobby botanist, and my mother a spare time nature photographer, I realized that the perfect advent calendar for them would be to share some of the nature I see here in the Atlantic rainforest. And whether you are a professional nature photographer or just really enjoy taking pictures of your cat, I encourage you to do the same with your friends and family. And step 1 is to find 24 pictures or videos and decide how you want to share them with your friends and your family. My Advent is a free program for making neat online calendars where anyone with a link can open your pictures on the right day. You can also do it informally by just sending a picture a day in a WhatsApp or a Facebook group, or you can show the whole world by posting on your social media. If you're afraid of forgetting or not having the time to post one day, you can just Google social media management tools and find a variety of programs which let you schedule posts ahead of time. You can also schedule publication time in YouTube or even in your email if those channels suit you better. And for inspiration, I'll show you my 24 clips from the Atlantic rainforest in Minas Gerais before I share a last tip in the end. If anyone from my family are watching this, please stop and wait for December. The last tip and a fun twist to this advent calendar is to make it a bit more interactive by, for example, adding a fun fact about every species you share, or you can make it into a quiz where your family and friends have to identify the animal or the flower from your video, or to guess where that beautiful landscape picture is taken. This way you can strengthen their interest in nature, and your calendar is not only pretty, but it also contributes to spread love and care for the planet. Merry Christmas!